All right, so we are in Oak Ridge, Tennessee. It is a absolutely perfect 85-degree sunny day, and the Syclone is on the trailer and ready to be delivered to my father. This is for his 75th birthday. Something he's really proud of. He really, really loves this truck. I remember this truck for most of my adult life. He bought this thing brand new in 1992. It's a 1991. But bought it brand new in 1992 in Lima, Ohio at Irwin GMC. Still has the original keychains, still has the Irwin GMC logo on the back. We're going to film showing him the truck. Here's your Irwin GMC badge, Steve. It's still there. Giving him the truck back is going to be kind of the end of this video. So thank you very much to everybody who's been able to help make this thing happen. Who's been able to make this thing come back to life and make it what it is. And I'm sure my father will very much appreciate this. So I'm gonna get this thing a little last detail, get it all nice and shiny, pull it off the trailer, stage it, and hopefully he likes his birthday gift. Happy birthday, Dad. All nice and shiny. The guys at Performance Auto Spa did an absolutely amazing job on this truck. It's a 27,000 mile all original truck, original paint, original basically everything. And they had a ton of hours making this thing look shiny like this. Thank you to Tim, Josiah, Dallas, all the guys over at Performance Auto Spa. Huge thanks to Rich Lucore of Lucore Automotive for helping out on this project as well. Did some minor repair work as far as mechanical stuff goes, also for the ability to get this thing down here and do this for my dad. So thank you very much for all of you for making this happen. I'm going to pull this truck off of the trailer here and set her up for Dad to see it, and then we'll have the dad part. Obviously don't have the truck on the trailer anymore, so pulling up outside Dad's house. I'm going to go in and get him and take him over to where the truck is for surprise time. Alright, he has no idea he's being recorded.
Where'd you park it, up at church?
Yeah. Well, I hope you like this thing. Spent a lot of energy on this thing, get it just right.
Looking brand new.
That's about as close to brand new as we can get it, sir. You happy with it?
I'm tickled the shit with it back.
So this is your 75th birthday present. Is to get your little black truck as close to perfect as possible and get it back to you. And we even inducted you into the
Lucore Racing
Club.
That's cool.
Not that anybody down here will have any idea what that is. It really meant a lot to me to get you this truck done and get this thing back to you.
Well, it's gorgeous. It's absolutely drop dead gorgeous.
Glad you
it looks like a brand spanking new one.
It's as close as we can get to it. My guys at Performance Auto Spa spent a whole lot of time working on the paint in this car to get everything back as good as we could.
Did he take a lot of pictures of it to show us?
Yeah.
Portfolio?
Yeah.
Yes, he should have.
We got the body cladding almost completely back to where it was originally. We didn't want to do paint like a lot of them have now, where they're glossy black painted. We wanted to keep
what do I need to use on the cladding to keep it like it is?
I've got a bunch of brand new product. They used a ceramic coating on the paint. So instead of using wax now, you no longer use that. So Rougarou has a product that we use for detailing now for this truck. So you won't have to use wax or quick detail or any of that stuff. You just use this extremely expensive towel and a...
where do I get it? Advance Auto?
No, I have two of them that I will give you.
It's called Ruby Roo?
The product, the squirting product is called Rougarou. It's actually from a company in Columbus. Dual flush microfiber towels are not something you can buy just off the shelf. They're professional detailing gloves. and you can't drop them or set them on anything or anything like that because they'll grab anything.
So this is a spray-on wipe-off product?
Yep. Yep. Spray it on, wipe it off. This is how this truck has looked for, I mean, it's been, I rubbed it down real quick, but this truck we've had done for a month. And it still looks like this. It's been rained on 3 times. Made a 400-mile journey down here. All right, so there we go. That is tickled pink, and we did a great job. So we'll wrap it up there, head back to the north, and back to work. So happy birthday again, Dad. I'm glad you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed bringing that thing back to life for you, and I want to say that I know I owe a lot of my life and who I am and what I do to you, and oddly to that truck, and the various old Volvos in my life. It's because of a lot of that stuff, growing up around that, that I think I've become the gearhead that I am. So it meant a lot to me to be able to get that thing back in running condition and as perfect as possible for you. So enjoy it, have fun this summer with it. I love you, and happy birthday.